Here is the lift at Big Bear Village in Neutral Bay. It's a Schindler 5500. You can probably tell from the specifications and installed here. It's got the black glass panels for the indicators. You've pretty much heard most of the voice lines from the voice that this lift has, so I'm just going to go ahead and play the one that you haven't heard yet.
Basement 3. Doors opening. Elevator going up. Doors closing.
So basement 2 is well, that car park that you just in between
Basement 1
and basement 3.
Doors opening.
Yeah, I think it's probably down there. But anyways, there goes the lift. And that is it.